Unpaid leave can reduce your gratuity. Here's why. Unpaid leave sounds simple, but it can affect service calculations and even salary entitlements. The legal framework is defined by UAE labor law under Decree Law 33/2021. It's crucial for both employees and employers to understand the implications. Article 33 makes it clear that unpaid leave cannot be taken unilaterally. You need formal employer approval for any unpaid leave. Without that, your absence could be categorized as unauthorized. Moreover, unpaid leave periods are not counted towards your overall service term. That means for each stretch of unpaid leave, you carve out a non-service gap in your employment timeline. Why does this matter? Service term is the baseline for a host of benefits. Think end-of-service gratuity, annual leave accruals, and sometimes even pension eligibility. Any excluded period can shrink these entitlements. Article 34 introduces another risk. If you fail to return on time from unpaid leave without a legitimate reason, you lose entitlement to wages for the entire absence period. This is an automatic forfeiture, no gray area. Article 35 addresses termination timing. If your employer gives you a termination notice while you're on unpaid leave, the statutory notice period only begins after you're supposed to return to work, unless both sides agree otherwise in writing. This can delay job transitions and severance processing. Best practice is to secure written approval for any unpaid leave and fix dates for your return. Digital or physical copies, with clear employer sign-off, are essential. Avoid relying on verbal promises such as, "Don't worry, we'll count it as service." In the event of disputes, these promises are often unenforceable. Build a robust paper trail. Save emails from HR, signed letters, and, if applicable, screenshots from your company's official leave system. Before you sign any unpaid leave or termination document, always consult a qualified legal expert who understands UAE labor law. The right advice can preserve your benefits and avoid costly mistakes. Remember, this is educational content and doesn't substitute for specific legal counsel. I'm Hamdi Hassan, a legal and real estate consultant in the UAE. If you have questions or need a consultation, follow for more updates and feel free to send me a message.